make your own beer.
All you have to do is fill it up with water. You get your beer kit. It has all the ingredients you need for that specific beer style. You pour the ingredients into the keg with the water, and then you pop it into the brewer like this. And then each brew kit comes with a smart sticker that scans on the side of the machine, and it automatically detects the recipe, and it automatically starts the brewing process as well. Typically, it takes between 7 to 15 days for it to brew. Just depends on what you're brewing. And the machine will let you know when it's done, and it will also cool your beer up to 30 days once it's done brewing.
First day we had it.
Can we get a sample?
Yeah. What do you guys want to sample?
Go ahead, you go first. What do you have?
Kombucha, pale ale, and almond.
What do you recommend?
Pale ale is pretty popular. Kombucha is pretty good too if you like.
Let's get pale ale.
Exactly.
The Vikings drink.
So wherever you place your cameras on, really, you've got like something to plug it in. You can brew anywhere. So all you do,
Oh
you
yeah.
have this keg,
Would you like
and
some as
then
well?
in each pouch is ingredients.
Bottoms up.
All you do, pour all in here with water.
Had it yesterday.
Not bad.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.